Today we will start chapter 4th, that is linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variables. Here the general equation is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Here two variables, that are x and y variables, and a, b, c are any real numbers. Here a is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y, and c is the constant term. In this chapter we will discuss about the linear equation in two variables, that is any equation having the degree 1. Here the degree of x is 1, degree of y is 1. Whenever the degree of variable is 1, then the equation becomes linear equation. And here is two variable x and y, therefore it is two variables. This is the general equation, that is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Now we will start the first exercise 4.1. Here the first question is, the cost of notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Here the cost of notebook is twice means double the cost of pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. Here the cost of notebook is rupees x and cost of pen is rupees y. Now that is, we have to make a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement, that is cost of notebook is the twice the cost of pen. Here we have to take the cost of notebook as rupees x and cost of pen as rupees y, but we can take any of the cost as x and any of the cost as y. And let here the first question is, let the cost of notebook equals to x rupees and let the cost of pen equals to y rupees. Now according to question, here the cost of notebook is x, is twice, equals to twice is 2 times the cost of pen. Therefore positive 2y is changes into negative 2y on left hand side equals to 0. This is the linear equation in two variable. Now in the question number second, express the following linear equation in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the value of a, b, c in each case. That is, we have to make this in general equation and find the value of a, b and c. Here the first part is 2x plus 3y equal 9.35 bar. Now we have general equation equals to ax plus by plus c equals 0. Therefore it becomes 2x plus 3y, positive 9.35 changes to negative 9.35 equals to 0, and we can write it as 2x plus 3y plus, in bracket we use the negative sign, 9.35 bar equals to 0. Here a equals to x, coefficient of x is 2, therefore a equals to 2, b equals to 3 and c equals to minus 9.35 bar. Now the second part is x minus y by 5 minus 10 equals to 0. We can take the LCM here. Here the LCM is 5, which is equals to 5x minus y, 5 tens are 50 equals to 0. Now again by cross multiplying we get 5x minus y minus 50 equal 0. Now by taking LCM we get 5x minus y minus 50 by 5 equals 0. Again by cross multiplying 5 into 0 is 0, which is equals to, we can write it as 5x plus negative of minus y plus negative of 50 equal 0. Therefore a equal 5, b equal minus 1, c equal minus 50. Now in the third part, here it is 2x plus 3y equal 6. Again 2x plus 3y negative 6 equals 0. Therefore a equals to minus 2, b equals to 3, c equals to minus 6. In the fourth part, x equal 3y, and we can write it as x minus 3y equals 0. therefore a equal 1, b equal -3, and constant is not present, therefore c equals to 0. In the fifth part, 2x equal -5y, -5y changes to +5y equals 0 again, therefore a equals to 2, b equals to 5, c equals to 0. In the sixth part, 3x plus 2 equals 0. Here coefficient of x is 3, therefore a is 3. Coefficient of y is not present because the degree of y is 0, and we can write it as b equals to 0 and c equals to 2. In the seventh part, we get y minus 2 equals 0. Here x is not present, therefore a equals 0. b equal coefficient of y is 1, therefore b equal 1. c equal -2. Now in the eighth part, 5 equal 2x, and we can write it as 2x equal 5. 2x plus 5 changes to -5 equals 0. Here the coefficient of x is 2, therefore a is 2. Y is not present, therefore coefficient of y is 0, and c equals to -5. This is the exercise 4.1 of chapter 4th.